Now I am going to show you how to install Telegram in Ubuntu. So this is the code for installing Telegram in Ubuntu. So now I am giving my password. Okay, enter. I have to it. Okay, now next code. This is the next code. Sudo apt-get update. Enter. Okay, now I am going to write third command. So this is the sudo apt-get install Telegram desktop. Enter. So I am going to say y. Enter. So it will take 2 minutes. See, here is the minutes. It will take 1 minute extra. I have to wait until it's complete. So it's almost finished. Okay, it's installation complete. Now I am going to show. Okay, so Telegram. See, this is the Telegram. Okay, so this is the Telegram. Yay, installation complete. That's it. See you in the next video.